Let's have a look at the students' learning outcomes. After completing the unit, students will be able to predict some words that might occur in a text by looking at a picture or title. Comprehend questions about the given pictures. Read aloud for accurate reproduction of sounds of letters and words. Use post-reading strategies to respond to the text by relating what is read to their own experiences. Respond to and ask simple questions, starting with verbs. For example, is, am, are, was, were. Identify and articulate words containing digraphs and trigraphs in initial, middle, and final position. Use appropriate expressions in conversation to articulate, recognize, and use some formulaic expressions to introduce self and talk about family. Make sentences of the given words. Complete a simple paragraph using the given words, phrases, and sentences. Identify and use simple sentences that show instructions, commands, and requests. Write simple, descriptive, and narrative paragraphs. Write with reasonable accuracy some sentences of their own on a given topic. Write guided sentences and speech bubbles and cartoon strips using vocabulary, tone, style of expression appropriate to the communicative purpose and context. And finally, write a simple guided poem using a list of given rhyming words.